In this video, we will see how to insert micro symbol in Google Docs. There are two methods. Let's see each method one by one. In the first method, go to the insert option, and under the insert option, here you will see special characters. Click on special characters and a dashboard will appear to insert special characters. Here you will see search by keyword, or you can draw the sign of micro here and it will show you the micro sign. Click on the micro sign and the micro sign will be inserted. Now let's see the second method. In the second method, click on insert option and click on equation, and you will see now a blue box with the cursor blinking inside it, and you will see here micro option. Click on the micro option and it will be inserted in Google Docs. Check out this useful playlist if you use Google Docs frequently. And if this video solved your problem, then please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell notification icon so you won't miss any new useful update like this. Thank you.